Hello students. So, we were learning about the animals. No, in the last video, have you all seen the video? Last video? Yes, we learned about the babies of animals. No? Yes. Now, I am going to ask you some names. Will you say? Okay? Yes. All will say? Okay, you will answer me. Okay, what is the baby of goat called? Yes, Kirtan? Kid. Very good. Baby of goat is called kid. Very good. Now, Manav, you answer me. What is the baby of tiger called? Yes, cub. Baby of tiger is called cub. Very good. And now, Sia, you answer me. What is the baby of horse called? Foal. Yes, very good. So, children, I think so you all have learned this, no, very properly. Today also in this video, we are going to learn more about the animals. Okay, all are ready to learn something more interesting about the animals? Yes. Children, where do you stay? All of you, where do you stay? Bhavnagar. Okay, okay, in Bhavnagar it's okay. But where do you stay? Roadside or in jungle or in city or in house? Where you stay? On trees? Where you stay? Yes, we stay in house. No, we all have our own house, beautiful house in which we stay with our family. Same way, animals also have their homes. Do you know that? They also build their homes and they stay there. Some homes are built by animals, some are natural, and some are made by us, man-made houses. So today we are going to learn about the houses of animals. We live in house. We all live in house. Animals also have their own homes. They also have their homes. Wild animals live in jungle. We learned, no, animals that live in jungle are called wild animals. So mostly all the wild animals, they live in jungle. We build homes for domestic animals. But for domestic animals, that is for cow, for horse, for dogs and all domestic animals, we build their homes and we keep them there as they are very useful to us. So, we build house for the domestic animals. Now, for the wild animals, tiger. Tiger live in den. It is in jungle, big den, gufa. We say no gufa. It is made up of stones and inside the jungle. They live in the den, tigers. And even lions also live in den. You can see here den. And the lions and their families staying there. So, lion and tiger lives in den. But animals like elephant and giraffe, they are very big, they are very tall, so they cannot have a particular house. So, they mostly live under the trees. Where do they live? They live under the trees and they need lot of food also. They are herbivorous animals and they eat leaves, grass and all. So, they generally live under the tree. Even elephants also they live under the trees. Monkey, they stay on the tree. Mostly all the monkeys, they stay on the trees. And bears, bears also lives in cave. Big caves are there. Inside the cave, bears live inside the caves. Rabbit, rabbit dig a burrow and stay inside the burrow. You can see this is the ground and a hole is there. Rabbit will go inside the hole and it will stay inside the hole. So, rabbit lives in burrow. Snakes and rats lives in hole. Snakes also on the ground they dig a hole and snakes go inside the hole. So, they live in hole. Even rats also, you can see the rats. Tom and Jerry you must have seen, no? That Jerry, where do it lives? It also have a hole and inside the hole her house is there, no? Same way your rats lives inside the hole. Now birds, mostly all birds, they build their nest and live on the trees because they are safe on the trees only. So birds build their nest and they stay on the trees. All the nests are different. Some are very nicely viewed, some are just the sticks are arranged and nest are built. And you know children, why do birds build nest? They fly in the sky, no? They don't need nest. They need nest to lay their eggs. When they want to lay their eggs, they have to build the nest and the eggs are safe there. There they hatch the eggs and the chicks comes out. So birds build nest on the trees, and pigeons mostly build their nest in the corner of our houses, wherever some corner is there, or on the on the balcony somewhere. They in the corner of our house they build a nest and they stay there. Horses live in stable. You must have seen like this stable. Inside the stable, horses are kept. Food, water, every facilities are provided inside only. They are kept inside the stable. So the house of the horse is stable. And even for the cows also, a shed is made for the cows, and cows are kept there. Their water facility, then food facility, everything is there in the shed. So the house of cow is shed. Now dog is a pet animal, and mostly we keep it in our houses, no, outside our house we make small kennel like and there how dogs live. So dog's house is called kennel. They live inside the kennel which is built by us. Stable, cow shed, everything are made by us only, by human beings, for the animals to stay. So these are the houses of animals. Now children, as we know, animals are very useful to us. They are like our friends. They play with us. We have fun with animals and all. They entertain us. So we should also take care of animals. Animals are our friends. They are like our friends only. We should be nice to them. We should always be good to them. We should not hurt or irritate them. Don't hurt them. Throw stones on them and run away. They'll become angry. They'll come and bite you. Or don't harass them, irritate them. Give them proper food and as they are domestic animals and we keep it either in the shade or in the stable and all. So we only have to provide them proper food and water. And if they are sick, take them to veterinary doctor. And when they fall sick, many times see they are also living things, no? So they also get hurt. They also fall sick many times. So we should take them to veterinary doctor. Now who is that veterinary doctor? He is a doctor who treats animals, special doctor for animals. They are known as veterinary doctors. Keep their homes clean, and see, they cannot clean their homes by themselves. So it is our duty to keep their domestic animals' house clean. Do not burst fire or cracker near them. Children, now what happened? No, many children are very naughty. What they do to harass any animal? No, they burst cracker near them. Any dog or cow lying on the roadside, what do? They just burst cracker and run away, and that animal get disturbed, they get irritated, they start running, they start biting others. So we should not irritate or disturb the animals sleeping on the roadside. Take care of animals, do not hurt them. Take care, love them, treat them with love. Do not hurt them, don't start beating them. They also understand, they also have feelings. So we should take care of the animals. Give them proper food. See, these animals, they cannot cook their food by themselves. So we only have to provide the food. They don't get food from the streets. So at least for some animals we should feed. Take them to veterinary doctor when they are sick. See, this one veterinary doctor, he treats the animals. Whenever any animal is sick, we should take them to the veterinary doctor and treat them. Now, this will how should we take care about the animals. But there are some people who kill animals because they want their teeth, they want their bones and all. They are known as poachers. What are they known as? Poachers. Elephants. You must have seen elephant have tusk, no, big teeth. So their teeth are very precious, and to get their teeth, they kill animals like elephants, then rhinoceros for bones and all. And they are known as poachers. What are they called? Poachers. We should save animals. We should treat all animals with love and care. Okay? So children, love animals, take care of the animals. If you are at home and you have pet dogs or pet animals, treat them with care. Okay? So in this lesson we have learned about the babies of animals. We have learned about their homes where they live and how to take care about the animals. We should always take care about the animals very nicely, give them food, water, and whenever they are sick, take them to veterinary doctor and give them treatment. Okay? So, thank you.